In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install the Christmas Snowflake app on your Shopify store, customize it, and infuse some festive cheer into your online presence. Now, whether you're new to Shopify or an experienced user, this guide will be easy to follow, helping you add a touch of winter wonderland to your store with just a few clicks. First, let's jump right in by navigating to your Shopify admin page. This is the home base of your online store where you control everything from products to themes. Once you're there, you want to look for the Settings button, usually located in the lower left corner of the dashboard. Clicking this will open up a menu with various options for customizing your store settings. Next, on the Settings menu, find the Apps and Sales Channels section and click on it. Here, you'll find all the apps that are currently installed on your store, along with an option to explore new ones by going to the Shopify App Store. So go ahead and click on Shopify App Store. Once you're in the App Store, you can use the search bar to look for specific apps by typing in Christmas. This will bring up a list of all the apps related to your search term. Scroll through the results and find the app named Christmas Snowflake. You'll want to click on this app and review its details. If it looks like something you'd enjoy adding to your website, proceed to click the Install button. Installing an app will begin the integration process, allowing it to work seamlessly with your existing Shopify store. After you've installed the app, head back to your Shopify admin page and find the Online Store tab. Clicking this tab will reveal more options, including the Customize button, which takes you to the theme editor. It's a fantastic tool that lets you make real-time changes and see how they affect your store. Within the theme editor, you should see an option for managing app embeds. Click on this to see the apps you can directly interact with on your store and select the Christmas block. Now here's where the magic happens. You'll see a toggle button to enable the Christmas snowflake effects. Once you toggle it on, the festive graphics should activate on your site. This simple addition can add so much fun and seasonal spirit to your store's aesthetic. And if you're interested in extending these features, you might consider purchasing the app for more effects. It's an investment, but for the holiday season, it could be worth it. Finally, don't forget to click Save to ensure all these changes are applied. Having completed these steps, your store should now reflect a delightful holiday theme, potentially boosting engagement and adding joy to your customers' shopping experience. Thank you for watching, and I hope your Shopify store will now spread seasonal cheer to all who visit it.